Let me introduce to you the transformer oil purification and filtration machine from REXON company. It is a high-efficiency filter specially designed for purification and filtration of transformer oil with a capacity of processing 3,000 liters of oil per hour. This machine uses advanced vacuum filtration technology, which can effectively remove moisture, impurities, and gases in the oil, significantly improving the insulation performance and service life of the transformer oil. The equipment is equipped with high-performance 3-stage filters and high-vacuum systems to ensure that the oil is not contaminated during the treatment process. At the same time, ZYD-50 has PLC automatic control function, which is simple to operate and easy to maintain. It has a compact structure and is suitable for the oil purification needs of various substations and power equipment. Regular use of the ZYD-50 transformer oil purification filter can effectively extend the operating time of the transformer, reduce the failure rate, and ensure the safety and stability of the power system. This machine is ideal and indispensable, whether during maintenance or during the installation of new equipment.